Hello. Come on, go. Hug. Nothing. It's cold. Dear Jack, your next task is repairing wood. Would you? Nothing. It's nothing. Simple wood repair filler. Yes. Easy to sand. This is one. We're going to add some water in here first off. So Mark showed me earlier, I can be overzealous with the powder if I want. It's like making a cake. So let's do the little test Marco told me earlier. Here we go. I'm just going to start leveling this stuff on. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this bit though. It's time to use Marco, I think. So I think I've done the top, filled that crack there. Is that, you all right with that?
Good job, Jack.
Thank you. Oh, nice. Right, this bottom one here, I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to be able to do that and keep like it straight, does that make sense?
The secret is the second blade.
Okay, right.
You'll apply this blade to this edge,
Yeah.
fill the gap,
Yeah.
and then remove the excess, slowly removing this.
Okay, I think that sort of makes sense. So are you actually gonna do a bit?
Good luck, Jack.
Hey, that's not bad. I'm pretty happy with that. Marco will be proud, man.
The finish was adequate.